personal brand. We're going to talk about how to make our personal brand stand out. Okay, hello, I'm Shelly Hopkins, and on this channel, we talk about marketing, affiliate marketing, motivation, passive income, stuff like that. So if you're into any of that, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel. And if you get anything out of this particular video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who you think would love it. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. Okay. I was so confused. Okay, personal brand. When I first started, I'm like, personal brand, what? I don't understand. Okay. And when I first started, I tried to be someone who I'm not. So I'm going to go over a few things that can help you and help you stand out to represent your own personal brand. Okay. They always say you buy from who you know, like, and trust. So the more that you're out there and people watch your content, they read through your content, they start to become more familiar with you, they start to trust you more. So we'll talk more about getting out there, but the more that you get out there, that they will know, like, and trust you. They will actually feel like they know you. And that's really important because no one's going to buy from someone who they don't trust. Just being honest. And you know, I'm not going to save the best for last because honestly, this is the secret sauce. And I didn't realize it till later on. But it's simple. It's be yourself. You are going to stand out. But you have to be yourself. My favorite is YouTube. And if you go back and look at some of my videos when I first started doing YouTube, even my mom made fun of me. She was like, that's not you. It's not you, Shelly. You don't sound like that. And once I let go and quit thinking about what people thought and actually cared about more getting what I was trying to get out. And then I worried about how I am. I use my hands. I'm hyper. I'm energetic. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what if they hate that? You know, I've got more compliments because they can relate. People can relate to me because that's just who I am. But I didn't want to do that in the beginning. So be yourself. I know it sounds crazy, but whether you're writing, you want to maybe make yourself sound better than, or you're doing better than what you are, or you're on video and you want to be someone who you're not. Don't be like Jack. Don't be like Jane. Be like you. Okay? Even if you're silly and you're hyper. Okay? Okay. Share what you know. Okay? In your field, we'll talk about that in a second, but you'll have a niche. Share. If you learned something 5 minutes ago, write that down. Okay? If you learned something last night, write that down. Because whether you're doing blog, video, whatever, there's people that doesn't know that. So tell them, okay? Do a little bit more research about what you learned and let everybody else know. So I learned this too. You think that you have to be like an expert at, say, YouTube. I have learned so much that I want to share it. So I'll do videos and teach people about all the stuff that I learned. Okay, that does not mean I'm an expert. It means I just want to help because there's other people that doesn't know what I know about YouTube. So yeah, I want to help them. Okay? Speaking of that, pick your niche, however they say it, and stick with it. Stick with it and narrow it down. So if you're into working out, I wouldn't just say you're in fitness, okay? There's all kinds of stuff that has to do with fitness, okay? So say you're an aerobics instructor. Just came off the top of my head. Say that. You will grow faster by narrowing it down. Okay? Really simple. One straight road. Okay. Then pick your platform. Like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Okay? I wanted to do all of them, right? This one. But no, I was taught not to do that. And he kind of had to tell me several times. So, no. A good example. I am doing TikTok. But I first started it because I was like, ooh, I was told this would be good for my business. Okay? But there's other stuff. So I was stressing out. I'm like, why? Oh my gosh, I have to do this, I have to do that. Well, then once I started, like, okay, forget that. I started doing TikTok and having fun. Just being silly. And it's fun. I didn't even think about doing it for my business. I love YouTube. So my main concentration and my platform is YouTube. Now, if you are a beginner, and I love helping out beginners because I have been there. If you're a newbie, find your strength, okay? I had people tell me mine, okay? They're like, well, you're outgoing, I'm not shy. I did have to learn to be myself. But besides that, I don't mind. I would rather do a video than sit and write a blog because I have some blogs and I just don't like to do that. For me, it's not fun. I'd rather talk to you. I'd rather have a conversation. But I know one of my main coaches, he does blogs and he makes tons of money. He does great and he don't want nothing to do with the camera. And he's one of the ones that said, Shelly, you'd be good at YouTube. So find out what you're good at, what you feel comfortable with, and that's what you need to stick with, okay? Don't drift apart. Okay. What are you good at? So in your niche, what are you good at? Let's stick with the aerobics instructor. Okay. I focus on building upper body strength with doing that. Okay, now, I don't know anything about that, so if I'm messing it up, I'm sorry. But that's what I'm good at. Okay? So share it. Get it out there. Okay? Do a video about it. Do like we said, video. I use blog. I can't think of it. The thing you talk on. Podcast. Do a podcast and then share it. Get it out on your platform. Okay? Share it with your friends. All of the people that you work with, which brings me to what I'm fixing to tell you about too. But get it out there. Email it out. Okay? And let them know that that's your thing. Okay? That you know this. And when they realize, hey, this person's got this, you're going to stand out. Okay? Next is networking with others. So, I said get it out there. So, network with other people. Get in Facebook groups. Talk to people. Conversate. I first got in groups because I was lost, okay? But I slowly learned that I made lots of friends, and you help one another. And I got to talk to them, and they know what I do. They know my strengths. I know theirs. Utilize that, okay? Follow people that are successful in your niche. I follow several people, and I joke around with one of my mentors and tell him I stalked him, but he's so sweet. And then there's another one that, I did my best to help him. I try to help all of them. Like, I'll be in their group, so get in their groups, help them personally by telling other people to join their group. Tell them about them, what they're good at, how smart they are. Let them know that you see what their strength is, and you want to get that out to other people because that helps them. And then they see you for doing that. And not just helping them personally, but helping the people in their group is a huge help. And not only does it feel good to be able to help them out, but you get noticed as well. Because I got a great example. I first was doing the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I didn't get my funnel done, and people was all working on the funnel, and I was way behind, and I was stressing out. So then when you're so stressed out, you can't continue. And someone had commented, "Does anybody need any help with anything?" Yes, right here, me. My funnel's jacked. And he's like, "Well, I'll just send one to you." And I had some funnels sent to me before, but this one was what I needed. It was actually one I could help, and it would help me, and I could change it. And I wouldn't have to come up with my own. I know. I probably should have done my own. But by him giving that to me, it was something easy for him, but it settled me and helped me finish the challenge. I know I wouldn't have been able to finish it if it hadn't been for him giving that to me, just because I was so stressed out. So you can help other people, and then they can help you. And it gets you noticed, and that helps build your brand. It helps get you out there. It helps get you seen and get you noticed. Most importantly, you got to be yourself to your videos, in your blog. Let it be known. Write when you're writing. If you talk like me, I talk like me in my blog. Okay? Talk like you in your blog. It's really important, because I screwed that up in the beginning. So, okay, I don't want to make this video any more longer. So, I hope you got something out of this, and I hope it builds your brand. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And if you got anything out of it, share, like, subscribe. Until the next video, thanks.